Hi guys, we're back. Another video, and today we're gonna do the YouTuber road again. This will be the second part. This will be the second one. I haven't been uploading since Thursday, I believe, and that was the 25th. Yeah, this was the 25th. I haven't been uploading for 4 days. 4 days. Actually, I don't know. I was left last time in the water. Oh yeah, last episode I found this and I got the loot out of it. Okay, this school, the episode is still trying to find a villager's house. Go! I should make a diss track on Minecraft. No. I just keep pressing space for a reason. That I'll get up, look. So if I don't, look, I'm just gonna keep sinking, but space is better. Plus, I'm really lagging. No, I don't think I'm lagging. I turned down the volume because I don't like the Minecraft music for a reason. Because it sounds too sad. So that's why I turned down the Minecraft music. Oh my god, I just noticed I should have done that on my Bed Wars episode, not just not letting play a video. Oh my god. Where's the village? I haven't been doing something on my Minecraft world, so that's why it's been looking different. So I might just build my house. I'm pressing W. That's all I'm pressing. What did I do? Do I have any food on me? No. I keep pressing Q. E. And I don't have any food on me, so I'm gonna have to put the white wool right here. Go right here. The chicken was already running from me. No. Let's go. I don't have corona. I don't have corona. Don't spam in the chat. Don't you dare spam on the chat. Make sure to subscribe. Cause subscribe to both of our subscribe to my channel, or you'll have 15. You'll go to jail no matter what age you are, and you say they're gonna be like, you're going to jail since you didn't subscribe, and you'll spend life in that jail. So you better subscribe. If you do, none of the bad luck will happen to you. Oh my god, I suck at this. Oh my god, give me my sword back. And make sure to subscribe to Elijah's channel. But you have to subscribe to both our channels at the same time. You have to grab another iPad and another phone, or another iPad and another phone. You make sure you have a Google account, and you make sure you have a Google account, and you just press that subscribe button. You won't get any bad luck, but subscribe to both our channels. If you guys subscribe to him and not me, mad at you guys. But if you guys subscribe to me, not him, he's gonna be mad at you guys. So you guys better subscribe to our channels at the same time. Or if you only have one device, just subscribe just subscribe to my channel if you're watching, and type in his channel. The link will be in the description, and that's how it's gonna work. So let's just get right into it. Come here, I'm a ball. Finally, I killed the cow. I really suck at Minecraft. It took me about like a few minutes to kill the cow. Okay. Can I... Actually, I want to try something. I never tried this on Minecraft Java Edition. I swear, if it works, I'm gonna be so happy. I'm not gonna tell you guys until, if you already know, comment down below. And just tell me. Just tell me, what do you... Oh, darn it, I can only make boots. How do you take this all at the same time? Let me make some. No, I did it wrong. How can I do this? Isn't it E for inventory? Yeah. If this works on Java Edition, I'm about to be so. It doesn't work? What? Do you hold down it? Do you right click it? No. If you guys don't know, I was trying to do the thing, you know how you dye your armor? You dye your armor like I wanted to dye it blue, but I thought in Java Edition you can dye your armor whatever color you want. What? It works? It works? What? I dyed it. Okay, I'm shocked. Okay, now I'm just gonna build my house since I can't find a village. Remember, I'm gonna end this video at 15 minutes, so I'm gonna start building my house now. Just don't look at me. Just don't. Please, just don't. I have the feather in my hand for not a reason. Like, man, I'm not even sure if I'm talking, but I remember last episode when I did that, I went back in the recording and I saw I was still talking when the volume was down. Okay, I swear, if that thing sponsors me, I'm gonna be screaming. But I actually didn't know you could still tie-dye stuff, so I have to try on Minecraft Xbox, and if it works, I'm gonna go not screaming. If I get to 30 subscribers, and Elijah he's at 16, 20, I'm gonna be happy for him, and he's gonna be happy for me, or probably, no, or, yeah, basically. So if you guys want us to be happy, make sure to subscribe. That's another way. So get Elijah 4 more subs, because he's been in the teens for a long time, so I don't want to make him feel bad. So please guys, I'm begging you from my heart and his heart to subscribe to both our channels, and we're like all begging you that me and Elijah are begging you that we can both get to. I'm trying to get to 30 subscribers, and he's trying to get to 20 subscribers. So make sure to give him to 20 subscribers, or while you're mining for diamonds, you fall in lava. If you find diamonds and it's on the floor, and look, when it's on the floor and you're trying to mine it, you die from lava. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications for both our channels. Oh my god, no. You can only see through night and through thunderstorms? It's nighttime. I have light right here. It's a lava. Oh yeah, you guys, if you guys didn't see the front of the world, the front of the thing, it said, what do you call it? It said, hardcore, so if I die, the video ends. So I'm trying to, oh my god. I'm gonna build my house in the distance. I might build my house in a tree and make it a tree house. Yeah. Okay, let's go on. Let me go ahead and jump. What? Ow, that hurts. I can't believe that tie-dye actually works. Wait, in Java Edition, there's no more. I've been playing a lot of Xbox Minecraft. Cause look, there's no in Minecraft, Xbox Minecraft. There's supposed to be, what do you call it? There's supposed to be monsters underwater. So, and there's not. Or probably there is a Java Edition, but not in hardcore. Like, I actually don't like hardcore. Let me go. I thought the video. No, I'm there yet. I don't know what to do. Oh yeah, I was supposed to build my house. Let's build my house like over here. My nose is itchy. If you guys ever keep like wondering like, ew, why are you moving your nose? Because my nose is itchy and I don't have tissue stuff next to me. Let me grab E. Let me make us some. Right click? No. What? Made a stack of wood. Stack? I'm just gonna build me an underground base. I think that's good. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I'm just gonna build me an underground base. I'm gonna use this shovel right here. Just go. Oh my god, no. Okay, let me. I'm gonna have it like this, like a staircase, so they can just walk down there. Plus, give me a crafting table that I can use to. I might have to wait until the third episode, or I might have to do this off camera, because there's only 14. So I'm just gonna do my outro right now, but the video is still not gonna be over. Okay, bye guys. But the video's still, I'm gonna let it end at 15 minutes. Bye. Bye.